just thought I'd do a little intro into this one before we change the bonnet over. Because I need to, it's sat over there, I need to store it, so I'll just show you this. It's basically the damage of it. I'll try to fix that, that should be fine. But obviously this is crumpled up, so got a new one over there. Bought hinges as well, but I don't think it needs them. But yeah, this is 23D, this one. X-drive, 4-wheel drive, 204 horsepower. Runs, drives, all that. Literally just seems to be this damage here, a little bit here. So I'm gonna get my mate to come round, help me put this bonnet on.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, my life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break.
Alright guys, I'm not sure where I left you last time. I think it was probably, I was putting this bonnet on when the car was there. We've moved these, we're waiting on the bonnet for that. It's the whole issue. We've ordered one like 3 weeks ago, but that should hopefully be here soon, so I can finish that video off. But yeah, that bonnet's all on now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bumper off, sort it all out, fix this bit of damage, heat gun it out and all that. Just making sure it's sat properly and stuff. Well, we're going to put this one here, because I'm waiting on a lens for this one. That's another video that I can't do because of this headlight. I've got the bumper. It's in there on the floor now, fell upside down. But yeah, so we're going to move these cars around quickly. Alright, we've moved the cars around. So basically, we've got where's some washer jets at? We got these here because when we were taking the bonnet off, one of us, not naming any names, Chris, broke the, what is it, like washer jet thing. Is that one? No, that wasn't that one, was it?
Probably that one pissing out of order.
Yeah. Basically just snapped off, easily done, but we had ones off the old one, so we'll put this on, change it over. I think that one's broken anyway, the clip, so I'll probably use the other one. Yeah. Use that one, it's not broken.
How does it pull off?
You just literally yank it off, that's what I did.
I think you're going to push and...
Well, whatever side that is, pull up like that. Got that, wouldn't you? So we'll get that changed over, so then they both work for the MOT tomorrow. And then basically just take the front bumper off, try and clean this up a bit. We're going to need a new grille, maybe this plastic support behind it. But we're just trying to get it, you know, like all sat back flush again. So we'll take it off, make sure everything's alright, put it back on. We need to order some bits, we'll do that. We just want to get it MOT'd tomorrow. Yeah, got a little motor. The other things are, I'm just waiting on parts, so it's really annoying at the minute. So this one should be uploaded today, hopefully. It's just a quick video, really. It didn't take us long to fix this, did it?
No, it just needs a lining.
Yeah, it just needs a line in that.
And a sticker taken off because, you know, we're assholes.
Oh, yeah. No, should be pretty good. Oh, Grant, give it a little clean as well inside, just to... I don't know if I showed you the interior beforehand. It was disgusting, though. I mean, not miles better, but it is better. You know, that's just dirt from us getting it out, but this centre bit was disgusting. You can still see a bit of grime there. You know, just cleaned it up a little bit, just so it's not as gross. when we get MOT and stuff. I really like these M Sport like side step bits, look nice. Decent wheels and tyres on it. Service kit, oh yeah, we're going to be servicing it as well in a minute. No parcel shelf for some reason. So it looks like from the back. It's in good condition. That's this side. All the wing mirrors and that's alright. What?
I forgot to plug the connector in first.
So now just take my car or something?
Yeah, because the connector's longer than the actual plug.
Yeah, you should be able to squeeze that in. Ah. There you go, it's out. Alright, we've started taking the bumper off. Removed these T30s. 4 of them. One little 8mm back there. Hiding in the back over there. Literally one that holds that on. This here, there's 4 bits of the clipped in. And then you've got a couple just push pins on there. We took all them off. Grant's just done the same on this side. We just need to remove all the ones off the bottom now. There's a couple, what is it? 8mm or something, so it's got the little gun there that should get them off quick. Grant got ahead of himself and started taking the air filter out, and that's what she looks like. Full of flies and bees and dirt. It's lovely. So that's the new one, obviously. So, good job we're doing that. We'll just put it.
It's not really a bad bumper, is it? That's a
We'll
problem.
just put it there. Oh, we're just going to quickly take this off and do the clips. So. Oh, the clip for the lights here.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that saves us some quids. All the parking sensors, they're all plugged in, obviously.
Wait, can we just twist these?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Obviously, we still don't want to break them.
I'll just unplug the parking sensors, I'll probably.
How does it come on? Is that one quick?
That was full of water. Is that cap for our headlight we thought was missing?
Some of them like stuck solid or something.
No, I got mine out.
How?
Those switch sides.
Like your side is rougher.
They're a little tight, like. Ready?
Wait. Seems like it's still caught on something at the bottom, doesn't it? Wait, there might be another screw still.
You reckon?
You just
I'll hold it. Oh, wait.
Okay, so
Never mind.
don't drag on the fucking floor. What are you doing?
You got it. Huh. Happy days.
That's fine.
Bumpers over there. And apart from that, and obviously this crack here that we could plastic weld back together.
Might just be better to swap them home.
Oh wait, yeah, this bit's broken as well actually.
I think it's just the front piece.
It is, I have seen him, it's the whole bit though. It's classed as a crash bar, isn't it?
What's this? One bolt.
It's like 200 quid,
Looks like it deattaches.
I think. Might be wrong. Lots of leaves and stones and everything in it.
But to be fair, so someone's took the entry off as well. That's why it's back.
But yeah, the headlights, it's solid. Screws over here somewhere, doesn't it? So yeah, this cover I found because we noticed it doesn't have it on, so that's good that we found that.
It looks like a mouse has been eating the thing on it.
See this headlight? Headlight's solid.
The bike looks like it's been nibbled.
Cool, we should be able to put this back on properly now. Let's see what's going on with this little bit, because that was sticking out, wasn't it? Maybe the wing needs adjusting or something. Right, we'll mess around with this and get it perfect. Right, we found out what that was for. It's for the side of this headlight. It's meant to be attached to here, so it's a bit wobbly at the bottom, like this side. I mean, it's still solid, but you know, we found it now, so we're gonna have to fix it. We've removed this, like, I don't know, maybe support panel, something, I don't know, that goes in front of the radiators and that. That's been removed, so you can see the state of the crack. I didn't realise it was that bad, to be fair. I just thought it was this little one, that's what I seen to begin with. But yeah, it's pretty bad, so we're stealing the one off the white one, unfortunately. So we're going to steal the white one, put it on there. This is broken, not much we can do unless we replaced it, so I end up having to like zip tie it on or something on this side, but it'll be fine. It's still got these 3 in and the 2 bottom ones, so we'll like zip tie this side, make sure it's still solid, but it is what it is. But yeah, apart from literally this damage and a tiny little bit of the headlight on the corner, that's literally all the damage. So we'll get on and fix this. Remove this one off the white one, won't record any of that. I'll cut back in when we're putting the new one of them on and the headlights all sorted, hopefully. Right, so I've removed this off my car and I've put it on this one. The only thing that's different with these bars here, so we've changed them over. But that's all sorted now, so just tighten this back up. My neighbour's got me some new ones of these as well, so that's ideal. So I'll put them on as well. Alright, I've got all this section put back together. All the bolts are in, apart from this one. So probably gonna end up zip tying that or something. It's pretty solid though, I mean, it should be alright, but we'll put a zip tie and just make it solid. It's the old one. And then Grant's been working on this headlight. That's just like sealant, and it looks a bit messy, but it'll just make sure there's no leaks basically. He's stealing my clip off my headlight now, so. But yeah, he's fixed all that up, so it's on there now and it'll be nice and secure to the vehicle. So we'll get this headlight fitted now. Alright, we've got the bumper on now, more or less. Just need to push these side bits in. I've got 1 bolt to put in that side, done that side. Headlights in, that's solid now. Isn't going anywhere. We tried to clean this up a little bit and that's spot on now. I just need a little sand, bit of filler. You'll never see that. Need new kidney grills, probably just get chrome ones. Grant's just taking the under tray off, we've got to service it, but also I dropped the extension bit down there, so he's fighting with that. But yeah, front bumper is back on. It's starting to rain, so that's good as well. We still need to service it. Alright, we've sorted that all now. It's all sorted. All the bolts are in and everything. Apart from the under tray. Grant's just changed the air filter. Showed you that a minute ago. Doing the cabin filter now. And that's this one. That hasn't been done since 2018. So 6 years ago. Yeah, 03, 18, nice. Good job that's getting done. But yeah, doing a quick service, change the oil. I've got a video of doing a service on one of these engines, not this vehicle, but the same engine. Once that's done, it's ready for MOT. Take it for MOT tomorrow. I might take it for a clean first, see what it comes up like. Then take it for an MOT tomorrow. Put it under tray on. But yeah, it's probably a wrap for this one, I think. Nothing else we need to do, is there, Grant? Just the oil change, yeah. Like I say, there's already a video on that, so not bad really. It was minimal damage. Didn't expect the surround thing to be damaged, but it didn't matter because I just took the one off that one. I'll just buy another one for that car. So yeah, this one's all sorted pretty much. Just need to get this damage fixed. We might be replacing the headlight or buying a new plastic surround for it because it was a little damaged. Not sure what we're going to do with that yet. See what happens. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.